it going?
Right, out my way.
Right, it's a string. Take note of that.
What?
You coming or what?
I am in a minute. It is quite scary down here.
Yeah. Nice and cool though, isn't it?
How do I get a good light on?
Use my torch. Down here. That just goes around to the entrance again. Yeah? Huh?
Careful, I'm actually quite pressed. This is quite cool.
They're the old toilets.
Are they?
Just to put them along here. You'll see there's some, actually, there's someone smashed them up. No, surely not. If I remember, they were quite far down.
How far do these tunnels go?
Quite far. There's another. Okay. See where the old entrances used to be? They bricked them up.
Shall I turn it? Did Kevin.
Yeah? I'm here. I'm here. Coming this way.
They're going for miles.
And down here.
Kevin,
Yeah?
we don't find our way out of here, mate.
We will.
Stay at the end. Can't see you because you're shining your light in your face.
That ghost.
Yeah, do that again.
Huh?
Hold on. Do that again. Do it again, you did.
For God's sake.
No, actually drag yourself in. Mate, look how creepy this is. Isn't it, dog? What, so these were used for the war?
Yeah.
I quite like
World
them.
War II, I think.
I might move down here. Just scare the shit out of everyone that comes here. Whoa! What's down got me?
Oh, don't tell her about that. Because the ceiling is covered in them.
Right, that's why I'm not looking up. Dog, you took the best picture ever, mate. I'm well impressed with that. That's going to be my new picture.
Just be careful as you step over these.
What? Oh no, it's going down.
And up here.
I'm getting a bit claustrophobic, I'm not going to lie.
It's alright. And there's outside. Oh. Oh, no, that's alright. You got a name? Got bars there so you can have a quick look outside.
Making me feel sick.
That's just hunger.
What? Have I got to climb over these?
Yeah. Did you follow the string? That's the best thing to do. There's also arrows on the wall in certain parts.
Is this going to cave?
No, it's alright.
Now how am I going to get down?
It's
What's that?
a big log.
Did you have to say that?
I've shown before some big logs.
Have a quick look down there for a minute. There's nothing down there, 'cause that's barricaded.
You brought me down here
It's down this way.
over all that stuff.
You've got to walk back yet. No way, someone smashed the thing down.
What's it?
It's illegal if you get caught and all. These, apparently they're for bats.
What?
Them. If you've got UV light, this looks cool. Have you got a blue light on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, down here look pretty cool. You put it on like a UV mode round here and sometimes it glows up on the wall. Like that.
Oh yeah.
Just here, the blue.
What, down that bit?
Yeah, here. Blue and orange
Right.
normally glow.
Okay.
That's my friend's tag.
Is that?
That one. At the bottom.
There's another what used to be an entrance. Some of it's the other way. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of these go like round in a circle, then goes on a bit more. These used to be seats.
Oh. So what are these things that are on the floor?
They used to be seats, I think.
Seats?
Like seat things. No, things like with toilets and all. Huh?
I said that was a cool picture. This place goes for miles.
Yeah, no. Free. Right, it's that way. The
Huh?
dead end that way.
So it's down this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Another opening, it's barricaded in.
What is this? Just
It's-
landfill from outside. Look, you can get out here.
No, it's a golf course, I think.
You can get out here.
No, you can't.
You fucking can.
Oh, yeah, you probably can if you pull through.
Through there you can.
Yeah.
What do you mean? No, you can't.
Oh,
Hello?
other people have been down here.
Huh?
Teapot's gone.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think a lot of stuff's gone. Oh, well, it was only a week ago when I came down here. Someone smashed the toilets up, I think.
In all these deep dark holes. Hello? Fucking hell.
Of entrance.
Someone's been round it with a piece of string.
Yeah.
Bit of a
And drawn
clever
arrows.
idea, really. You can get out there anyway.
Yeah.
Have you been out that way?
Nah.
What are you laughing at?
No.
You did laugh, I heard you.
I've forgotten how big it is, how long it is.
It's dead end. Isn't it?
No, keeps going.
When you get to the end, is there someone spray painted at the end?
No. No.
So if World War III goes up now, we'll be alright, won't we?
No, this would be no good.
Why?
It wouldn't be for nuclear.
What's that in?
Just goes round.
You try to flash it all here. I got me on me actually. Kev?
Yeah?
Oh, you are there.
You wouldn't believe it, but we've been in here for like 17 minutes already.
Have we?
Yeah.
It's nice and cool in here though.
Yeah. Would you want to do a paranormal down here?
I think it'd be good. Do you not?
Probably, yeah.
Are they new tins or old tins?
Huh?
Are they new tins or old tins?
Old tins, I think. And I think this is where the... Oh, this is where the toilets are. Wooden ones.
Really?
Yeah, someone's broken. Yeah, that one's been kicked or
Why do
something.
they have to do that?
Don't know, they're only wooden things, like the other one. That's all they are. Just a bit of wood with a hole cut in it. But they've still got a bucket in there, look.
I will look in a minute when I get there.
These have still got a bucket. That one's still got a bucket in it. I think it goes on a bit further this way.
Another bag of shit in.
Yeah, this one. It's a pentagram one here.
Do you think Ryan would like this?
Huh?
Do you think Ryan would like this?
Yeah.
So this is like a big arse fucking Anderson joker, isn't it?
So it goes down there. Goes down that way, then it goes off that way, I think. Then you've got this way.
It's massive! Where's the string gone?
Don't worry.
What do you mean, don't worry?
Well, it all goes to... you'll find your way out anyway.
What's that?
What? Don't know, but her footsteps. Looks like on the seat.
Is that a dead end?
No.
Oh my god.
Golf ball.
Is this the one that Stuart might be on?
I don't know. Don't.
You said it was underneath the golf course.
It is. just goes on and on, don't it?
It'll start to get dizzy.
This is the end. Yeah.
Is there a way out?
Yeah, we can go out where we come from.
Is this the way out?
Yeah, if we climb over it.
That'll just move the floor.
But it should be, if you go this way, you should go around back.
Can you not make it get back?
So I'm just there.